So we talked why you would not solve this using graphing. Substitution. In order to use substitution, you need to get one of these variables isolated. And notice they all have coefficients. So this is not a good one to use for substitution. And so elimination is great if you have x and y equals constant. X and y equals constant. We call that standard form. And what you need to decide is, do you want to eliminate the x's? Or do you want to eliminate the y's? And by eliminate, I mean make them such that these are opposite numbers. 3 and 2 are not opposites. So you have to think about the smallest number, called the least common multiple, that 3 and 2 go into. The smallest number 3 and 2 go into is 6, right? If you count by 3s, 3, 6. Count by 2s, 2, 4, 6. So we could make x's opposites, or if you think about the y, -2 and -2 are almost opposites. We just need one to be a +2. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick either equation, and we are going to multiply one of them by -1. Why -1? Because then -1 times -2 is +2, and +2 would be the opposite of -2. So if I multiply this by -1, I get -2x plus 2y equals -5. Now the other one, sometimes you have to multiply both by something. The other one is good the way it is. So we're just going to move it over. And this is my favorite method to solve by. I think it's the easiest for me anyway. Because once you have something opposites, which we do, these are now opposites. They're called additive inverses. So once you have something that's additive inversed, which sometimes you start off that way, you could add the equations together. And 3x plus -2x is just 1x. These eliminate. And 8 and -5 is 3. So you just get x is 3. I think this is way easier for me. Now to find your y value, you pick either equation. I'll just pick the top one. And you're going to substitute 3 in for x. So it'd be 3 times 3, which is 9. Solve for y, -9 from both sides. Divide by -2, and you get y is a half. So I'd say solution (3) half. I'm very glad I did not solve this by graphing, because it would have been hard to see that it crossed at exactly 3, 1/2. Right. And then I would plug that into the other equation just to double check. 2 times 3 is 6. Half of 2 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it works. I know I'm correct. So the solution to this system is x, y, 3, 1/2.